These came from Amazon, and they sold as a set of, I want to say they sold as a set of 3. And you can actually use 1 or 2 of them in your piece if you wanted to. And then just this little vase. It's ceramic. So yeah, you can just set a few in here. It's just however many you think you want. I mean, you could add 2 and that would be enough. But I wanted to make them a little bigger when I put it together just because of the size of the table and the other pieces that were on the table. Even if it's not enough for you, if you want some other color, you can buy some artificial roses. You could stick some artificial roses in there with the greenery and it would be perfect. And then I took 2 books, some nice sized books, and I just set them like this on the table, kind of just like that. And then we bought this little guy. Yeah, it's a little fox. And I saw him on a show and I looked him up. It took me a while to find him, but I did find him. He is metal, and he's coated in brass. Texture gets your eye to go away from other things that you have on the table. And it also just, it has a very festive look to it without it being too much.